12th reason, and this is a big one, why you should not marry a woman that has been divorced is because deep down, she knows, her family knows, God knows, right? Her children know that she is a liar. And she knows this. She'll never say it. She knows that, you know what, her word don't mean nothing, right? So I remember when I was getting ready to get married to my ex. And guys, this is an expose. This is something I will never share again. But hey, I try to be as transparent as possible as I can. But all my pastors said, nope, don't do it. This is a woman that has been married twice before. Bruh, it ain't gonna work. But nah, me, being stupid, me. She was a cute girl. I said, you know what? Nah, I'm just gonna give her a chance. She said that she's not gonna do it, that she will never ever leave, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. Guys, we got married 2 years later, she was out. She was out. So guys, what am I telling you? If a woman can stand underneath the sun, knowing that God is right there, because she was a Christian, knowing that God is right there, right? And she can break her vows. If you guys read book of Ecclesiastes and if you read book of Deuteronomy, God specifically says, make sure that you keep your vows to me, or else every other thing that you do, I will destroy. Go read Ecclesiastes 11. You'll see